What if I'm anxious? Should I still try? For me, the answer is absolutely. I still get nervous before I step onto the starting block of a swim meet. I still get nervous before I run an important meeting. I still get nervous before I lead a workshop. But I don't take those feelings as a sign that I shouldn't do those things. I show up anyways. And more often than not, they go really well. For years, though, I treated shy bladder differently. If I felt anxious walking into a public restroom, I took that anxiety as a sign I probably wasn't going to be able to pee. Or maybe I shouldn't even try. Maybe you've had that thought too. Looking back, I don't think the anxiety was the problem. It was what I believed the anxiety meant. Anxiety doesn't always mean stop. Sometimes it simply means you're stepping outside of your comfort zone or you're doing something you found difficult in the past. If I'd waited until I wasn't anxious before trying to pee in public, I'd probably still be waiting. So the next time you feel anxious walking into a public restroom, maybe don't take that feeling as proof that you can't go. Maybe it's just a feeling. And maybe it's okay to try anyways. I'm Michael Hurd, the Shy Bladder Coach, and thank you for watching.